Hello. Today we'll be seeing about what is NoSQL database. So the NoSQL database which Amazon has implemented is called as DynamoDB, which is their own proprietary database. The open source version is something called as MongoDB. Um, so when we click and go inside that, it's asking us to create a table. Let's go ahead and create a table right now. So let's name the table as mammals. So and is asking what is the partition key or primary key going to be. So let me start splitting mammals based on their colors. So if you're an American, then you won't have that U over there, right? Then add a sorting key. So I'm going to put animals, right? And click on, and both of them are string, by the way, right? So I'm going to click on create. So this would take about a couple of minutes for it to get created. So ARN, if you had seen this right previously, this is Amazon resource name. So if I were to refer this particular DynamoDB in some other services of Amazon, I can actually refer it with the help of this ARN number. We'll see that in a while. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video for some time and get back to this once this starts. Okay, now that it has created it, right? So we can go to items and start adding items to this particular table. So let me move this little bit towards the side and say create items. It's just that my mouse pointer is taking time to catch up. So color. So if I were to say uh, brown, and by the way, all these are case sensitive. Okay, brown. What are the animals you find brown in color? Monkey. Okay. So can I add one more here? I doubt. No, I don't think so. I have to add one at a time, I believe. Or maybe there is a way which I haven't figured out up to now. So let's add brown once again. I've seen bear. Bears are brown in color. Again, create an item. Let's say black. I have seen again bear, which are black in color, as well as white. Polar bear. So for the sake of it, just we'll call them bear. Let's add one more. Okay. So what would we do without lion? Right. Say um, golden brown. All right. Now all these are added. We can start querying based on this right now. So if I were to go back to query, so it's asking me what's a primary string going to be. So if I say brown and say start search, so you see it is returning me bears and monkeys are brown, right? If I were to say uh, black search, so I get only bears returned in the search key. So let's go over some of this manage streams. I have no clue as to what the hell stream is, uh, but I'm pretty sure that if I keep tinkering around here, I would learn all those things. And here I see read capacity. Write capacity is the amount of writes which I'm going to do. Read capacity is the amount of reads which I'm doing out of this. Um, Alarms capacity. So this is the read capacity and write capacity. So cost estimator, if I have 5 read capacities for a month, I would be paying approximately $2.91. So that's almost about it. So the next thing which we have to do is go ahead, go to action and say delete table and delete cloud watch alarms and everything. Yes, please go ahead and delete it. So this table would take around like 1 or 2 minutes to delete. So that's it for Amazon's DynamoDB, which is a NoSQL. Bye bye.